To make Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or message, you have to enable alert when phone pickup option. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap motion and gestures. And then tap the gray on offset next to alert when phone pick up until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or message. Given to the function, you can use this feature to help you quickly notice that you have missed a call or message, so you can do the required action as soon as possible, such as call back the caller or replay the message. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.